How do you pray it now? I will explain about sociolinguistic, and I'm sick graduate 6th semester, and I'm from University Islamic Zainul Hasanin Genggong. Well, let's check it out. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Right now, I will explain about sociolinguistic. The undertitle is the nature or the introduction of sociolinguistic. As you know, language and social class. If you are an English speaker or know something about English speaker societies, you will be able to estimate the type social status of following speakers socially on the basis of the linguistic evidence given here. Speaker A: I don't eat yesterday. Speaker B: I did it yesterday. Speaker A: He ain't got it. Speaker B: He hasn't got it. Speaker A: It was her what said it. Speaker B: It was her that said it. And language and society. Our accent and our speech generally show where we come from and what sort of background we have. We may even give some indication of certain of our ideas and attitudes, and all of this information can be used by the people we are speaking with to help them formulate an opinion about us. Well, that's all for me. If I got the finja, I'm not just and bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you, Baran.